Namaskar, I am R.K. Chhetri. I'll be presenting a weekly weather review and weather forecast for the next 2 weeks over Sikkim state. The outline is as follows. Important synoptic situation observed during last week. Realized rainfall distribution over Sikkim. Realized district-wise average rainfall in millimeters. Realized weather, that is maximum, minimum temperature and rainfall over stations. Realized daily minimum temperature graph over Gangtok, Tadong and Pakyong. Weather forecast for the next 2 weeks and weather forecast bulletin for Sikkim state. First, we come to the important synoptic situation. On 7th April, a cyclonic circulation was located over southeast Jharkhand and neighborhood and extended up to 1.5 kilometers above mean sea level. On 8th April, the cyclonic circulation over southeast Bay of Bengal was located over central parts of South Bay of Bengal and extended up to mid-tropospheric levels. On 9th March, it moved towards southwest Bay of Bengal and merged with the cyclonic circulation over Sri Lanka and neighborhood that extended up to 3.6 kilometers above mean sea level. On 10th April, the trough in the westerlies ran roughly along longitude 88 degrees east and to the north of latitude 22 degrees north at 3.1 kilometers above mean sea level. Another trough ran from West UP to central parts of Madhya Pradesh at 0.9 kilometers above mean sea level. The cyclonic circulation over southwest Bay of Bengal shifted to southwest Bay of Bengal and adjoining areas of North Sri Lanka and Tamil Nadu and extended up to mid-tropospheric levels. On 11th April, a cyclonic circulation was located over East UP and neighborhood, extending up to 0.9 kilometers above mean sea level and persisted till 12th. Another cyclonic circulation was located over West Assam and neighborhood at 0.9 kilometers above mean sea level, with a trough aloft with its axis at 1.5 kilometers above mean sea level and ran roughly along longitude 89 degrees east and to the north of latitude 23 degrees north. It became less marked on the next day, that is 12th March. Finally, on 13th April, the cyclonic circulation over East UP and neighborhood moved to central parts of South UP and extended up to 0.9 kilometers above mean sea level. An east-west trough ran from the above cyclonic circulation over central parts of South UP to South Assam at 0.9 kilometers above mean sea level. On north-south trough between 1.5 kilometers and 2.1 kilometers above mean sea level ran roughly along longitude 88 degrees east to the north of latitude 25 degrees north. Next, outlook for the next few days. The north-south trough now runs roughly along longitude 88 degrees east and to the north of latitude 22 degrees north at 0.9 kilometers above mean sea level. Then we have 3 UTC, that is surface chart of 3 UTC, that is 8:30 today, taken today on 14th April. Next we have upper air chart for 05:30 hours IST, that is 0 UTC of 14th April. That is part 1. Then for the same date and time, upper air chart part 2. Next we have the satellite picture taken today, that is 14th April. Next we have minimum temperature 24 hours change. Next, maximum temperature 24 hours change. Then we have realized rainfall distribution over Sikkim state during the past week, that is from 7th April to 13th April. We can see from 7th April to 11th April, rainfall occurred at several places. In fact, all the districts experienced rainfall. On 12th April, north, east and west districts of Sikkim were dry, and again on 13th April, rainfall occurred at several places over the state. Next we have realized district-wise average rainfall in millimeters from 7th to 13th April. Next we have realized weather over various important locations, that is Gangtok, Tadong, Pakyong, Mangan, Gizing and Namthang. We can see from the table that in Gangtok on 8th April it experienced heavy rainfall of 79.1 millimeters. Tadong experienced heavy rainfall on 7th April, that is 66.9 millimeters, and Pakyong it experienced heavy rainfall on 10th of April, that is 97.6 millimeters rainfall. Next we have realized daily maximum temperature graph over Gangtok, Tadong and Pakyong. Next we have weather forecast for the next 2 weeks. For week 1, that is 8th April to 14th April, the weather will remain normal, that is all three parameters, rainfall, maximum temperature and minimum temperatures will be near about the normal values. And also in week 2, that is from 15th April to 21st April, the weather will remain normal. Finally, we have weather forecast for Sikkim for the next 5 days and outlook for subsequent 2 days. We can see East Sikkim will experience rainfall, rain or thundershower at many places on first day, that is 14th April, and also we have thunderstorm warning for today. Likewise, South Sikkim will experience rain or thundershowers at a few places, and there is a thunderstorm warning for today. And South Sikkim will remain dry on the 4th and 5th day. So thank you so much for watching.